Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's workshop. Oh wait, this is not Anmaree's workshop. This is Nicole's workshop. Welcome. Okay, first things first, let's have a snoop. Let's see what's going on in her workshop. Hold on. Okay, looks like she has the same sort of storage as most people. Oh, this is a very nice unit. Some nice fabrics here that are on the... Oh, look at this. Oh my. Ooh, I hope we get to work on that together. All right, oh, she's got a box of projects down there. I know all about that. Oh, and these are her PDFs that she's put together and hung up. There used to be something else here. I think a baker's rack. Oh, this is where she's probably gonna put her dress dummy. She's ordered one specifically to her body. And this is her sewing area. Looks like she's doing a repair. This is a Mimi G dress. I've seen her wear it several times. So it must be getting repair. And here's her serger situation. And where she presses. Oh, that wallpaper is still beautiful. Oh, she put a... All right, let's see. What else is on here? Ooh. Oh, what do you think she's doing with this? This is gorgeous. All right. I know what she's doing with this. I want to work on this with her. This is awesome. This is going to be, I think, this Marguerite Nielsen pattern. I think that's what this is. I think she's doing work on that. I wonder what she's going to use as the bias binding. Oh, it's going to be stunning. Here's my machine that I leave here, my little Singer, sitting in the corner trying to behave itself. Let's see, I'm all the way around. And she's doing something with her Cricut. Now, this is our highfalutin Cricut. I have two of the originals, a small and a large. I wonder what she's doing. While I'm here, I need some sheets. The 24-inch and the 12-inch. Looks like it's time to go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, so Nicole is a serious woman. This is a serious workshop. So I'm going to carve out a quarter of one of the two cutting tables that she has in the center of her sewing room and do my work on this little spot right here. So this will be my spot.